So this is what we're dealing with today on Sunday. So we have this cool card system, right, for these washing machines, and I already did my wash, and it's supposed to turn this off after I've put my money in and it's done its cycle. And as you can plainly see, it's still connected, and that means that anybody who uses who uses the machine is pulling funds from my account. And there's no way to stop that because they don't allow us access to like block that from happening. There's no way to stop that. So I had to contact the freaking help through the app people, and then I also had to contact the apartment management. I'm not very happy about it. I think this system is really goddamn stupid because it doesn't work.